My channel is a complete shit show, so don't expect anything spectacular. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. And we're gonna make this quick and to the point because I am exhausted. I have worked 35 hours in the last 3 days. Doesn't sound like much, but one of the days was about 13 hours long. I am done. So, we got my boxycharm. I haven't been getting them because I have moved and I've changed my address and everything else. And then I got charged like $300 and some odd the other day for this boxycharm, and I was like, the fuck? I forgot I was getting this because I haven't received one since like December. So here we are. That just fell to the ground. Ooh, we're not gonna look at what we got. I'm just gonna open this up. I got earrings, which is nice considering I have gauges now. Yeah, okay. I got a boxycharm palette. Hello, Charmers. With, ooh, that's a pretty glitter though. Yeah. Body wash infused buffer. Spongili. It smells good. Dermatologist tested. Ooh, I got a small one of these. Still my favorite, and now I can carry it with me. I enjoy that. I don't really have a purse. Ooh, I got this one too. I don't really like this one, but it's more because I don't like the scent than that I don't like how it performs or anything. I got this NARS Powder Matte Lip Pigment. Warm Weatherette. I don't know about it. Ooh, that's a pretty color though. How we feeling about that? I got PMD Clean is a smart facial cleansing device that uses Sonic Glow technology and has 4 customizable modes. Brush optimized for all skin types. Like that, fancy. And it comes with a battery. And I think this is a stand. Like chat. Right, sure. I guess. QMS Med Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector. Lip Serum. Oh, it's a lip serum. And we got this Becca Skin Love Glow Glaze Stick. I guess it's a highlighter. Ah, yeah, it's a highlighter. Can you see it? It's right there. I don't have my ring light up, Since I moved, it's been in my closet. I know I'm the worst, but hopefully you guys still appreciated my unboxing, and hopefully I'll get my shit together someday. And I'll have a channel again for you guys, because I was posting like every fucking day, and now it's like whenever I get a chance, whenever I'm not exhausted, whenever I'm not like totally just worn out. And I am so sorry, because YouTube is one of those things that I enjoy doing. I love spending my time making videos and doing my makeup, and I just haven't had the time. So I love you guys. Thank you for sticking in it with me. And I'll see you guys as soon as I can. Bye.